How would you feel if you woke up every single day and your inbox was exploding with leads? I'm about to share with you the greatest recruiting shortcut the network marketing industry has ever seen. My name is Natanya and I'm coming to you from South Africa. Now, not too long ago, I was chasing family and friends around the block to join my business opportunity and to buy my products. And I literally thought everybody is my perfect prospect. But when I looked at the growth of my business, it was telling a whole different story. I didn't have the results I wanted. I didn't sell enough products. I didn't recruit enough people. And that happened over a span of 3 years. It took me 3 years to realize that I need the skills to be able to build this business from home that I so dreamed about. Now, I realized something had to change. Like, you come to a point in your life where you just realize, like, it took 3 years. I didn't see the results that I really wanted in my business. And you realize that you need to change something. You have to pivot the plan. So I will never forget. I jumped on Facebook and I came across this ad that was talking about attracting your perfect prospect to you. No more chasing family and friends. No more cold calling. No more hotel meetings. So I was interested as soon as I saw that because I could really relate with that. Now, this is what I discovered. I discovered attraction marketing. Now, if you've never heard about the term, I dare you to go and do your research because it's amazing. Mike Dillard is the author and writer of Magnetic Sponsoring. Now, this is where attraction marketing was born. And it was a total game changer for thousands of people around the world with their businesses who was struggling to recruit people, to build a team, to sell products. This was a total game changer. Now, I wanted to share 3 things with you that's in this book. And the first thing I want to share with you is you become the hunted instead of the hunter. So what does that mean? It means that you don't have to chase family and friends around the block to join your business. It means that you attract people to you who already have an interest in what you have to offer. Makes sense, right? Then number 2 is your secret weapon you can use to create a real business with zero competition. Yes, you heard that right. It's zero competition. Number 3 is how to create a marketing machine on autopilot that recruits for you. And while you sleep, while you spend time with your family, like, wouldn't you want to have this strategy in your business to automate a few things? It saves you time and it gives you the freedom back, which you assume crave, because we all want freedom. We don't want to work harder. We want to work smarter. So yes, it's a massive time saver. If you can implement this in your business, I promise you, you can sell any product you can think of. You can even sell ice to an Eskimo if you have to. So it's really powerful, don't you think? And if you are using attraction marketing, I'd love to hear from you and I'd love to hear your success, with this strategy. And if you are tired of home meetings, if you are tired of hotel meetings, if you are tired of cold calling, and it feels like you're really just spinning your wheels and you're not going anywhere, make sure to check out the link below. And get yourself a copy. I promise you, you won't regret it. It tells you step by step what you'll need in your network marketing business to flourish. So was this helpful? I hope that this has made a difference for you today. And if it did, I want to ask you a massive favor. Please drop me a comment, send me a message, let me know what your takeaway was on today's video. And if there's somebody that you feel that can do with this message today, please share it with them. Help me serve them because I'm here to serve. And if you want to know more, please connect with me. Send me an email, drop me a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. And I hope you have a blessed day.